Hello everyone, welcome to EnglishFlash. My name is Akram Darweesh and today we are studying the word wish. The word wish, we use it in three cases. Let's get started. Case number one. When you see something, guys, in reality or in the present time, and you see it and this thing bothers you, annoys you, or you want this thing to change, okay? But maybe it is impossible. All right, so let's get started. So what do you say? You say, I wish people would stop spitting on streets. Or you say, she wishes Jack wouldn't eat sugar anymore. This is the way you make it negative, okay? That's it. So this is case number one. Case number two. I'll give you this sentence and you tell me. I wish I was or were a bird. Can I practically change to be a bird? It cannot be, right? So case number two, when something is inconceivable, all right? Something basically is impossible to do. All right, so we use here this grammar. Third one, which is the last one. Listen, I am doing something with my friend, all right? And my friend tells me, hey, don't do that. And I tell him, no, man, I gotta do it, man. And I just do it and I don't listen to him. Then something bad happens to me, all right? After that, it's like the consequences, right? Then I see, like, I just think about it and I say, man, like, why did I do that? Okay, so I regret what I did in the past. So what I have to do, what I have to say is that I wish I had listened to you. To my friend, okay, or to her, to him, to them, all right, good. Or I wish I hadn't taken that car. Man, I took it in the past, something happened to me, maybe I made an accident, all right, so now I regret what I did in the past. So this is what I say. I say, I wish I hadn't taken that car, all right. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget, we still have 3 notes, we need to know them. In case number 1, guys, remember, you cannot wish something to yourself, all right? For example, if you say, I wish I would, this is wrong, okay? Remember, guys. Okay, sorry. So this case is wrong. What you can say is that I wish I could, all right? So this one is correct, all right? You cannot wish something for yourself. You say, I wish I could change this and do this. All right. In case number 2, remember, guys, when you say I wish, she, he, it, and I, you can use either was or were. Both are correct, all right? So here, I wish I was a bird, correct. I wish I were a bird, correct. Or she, you change this one to whatever, so you see it is here. Okay, the last one, listen. All these here, okay, here. This one. The word wish, you can all change them. You can change them to the word if only. So for example here, if only people would stop spitting on streets. It's exactly the same I wish, all right? Here, if only I was a bird, correct. If only I had listened to you, all right? All of them are correct. If only means basically I wish. Alright? Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, okay, and share your friends. Tell your friends about this channel, guys. See you guys.